ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ಸರ್.
Hello everybody. This is my father, Krishna Swami. He is 92 years old. 10 days back he had a major fall in the bathroom, and we suspected a fracture, and we admitted him at Apollo, and we were thinking, should we go for a surgery if it is so? But after speaking to Dr. Kiran Chauka, we were a little comfortable, because he was the one who encouraged and told us that ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಅವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಅವರು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು.
Today I am with a senior gentleman called as Krishna Swami. He is 92-year-old gentleman. I would like to call him young man. The reason is, he came to me with fractured neck of femur around 10 days back. I had operated him. He was courageful, and the family had supported, saying that yes, he has to be independent. I really appreciated the family as well. For the same matter, he had come to me with fractured neck of femur. I have replaced his hip. Like 24 hours post surgery, we had tried to encourage him to walk, and the patient himself, he was so confident he was able to walk from the day one. So what I meant to say is, see, yes, age is just a number is what we keep on hearing from many people, and that is the fact, is what I feel. If the patient is fit, if the patient is ready to get the surgery done, and the family is okay to encourage to make the patient independent. The thing is, I always tell everyone, nowadays, let it be my parents or my grandparents, nobody likes to be dependent on anyone. They all like to be independent by themselves.
That was really encouraging to us, and we thought, let us try. But there was a surgery on 7th of this January, and it was successful, and we were very happy. One disa agid takshana he was able to walk with the help of a walker, but he was able to walk. That made us very, very happy and confident that he will be totally independent. Now we just came back for the suture removal, and he's able to walk even without the walker. So thanks to Dr. Kiran Chauka. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಯಾರು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರೋ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ.
It is always better to get the surgery done. It's a mechanical surgery. It's all about replacing. I always compare this knee replacement or hip replacement surgeries to the cataract surgery. Cataract, as in cataract, the lens are damaged, it's degenerated, and it is replaced. In the same fashion, in the knee also, or the hip which is damaged, replacing might give them a new lease of life, with which they can become independent, get back to their feet, and they'll be able to walk. I'm thankful to him that he was ready for the surgery, and in that way, even I operated him, made him walk the same day. The reason I like to make them the same day is that will give them the courage, that will give them the confidence to feel that they are back to normal. But in his condition, yes, he was so courageous, he was so strong-willed, he was able to walk without support like 7 days or 10 days from the day of surgery. Thank you so much.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.